Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video you're going to be creating here and code selling web applications without writing any single line of code. So this application that you can see on here must start machine learning, deep learning and AI from beginner to job ready. If I go down you can see here some cards. So who this course is for: student and fresher and graduate, software engineer and developers, data analyst and the scientist, and career switchers and professional. If I go down you can see what you will master: Python and data analysis, machine learning, blah, blah, blah. And then you can see course curriculum, how it look like, Python and math for AI, machine learning algorithms, the computer vision and NLP, the real-world projects. And if I go on here, real-world projects, you can see phase and object detections, the AI medical reporter analyzers using the large language models. And then if I go down again, you can see that why you chose this course and success history, the chose your learning path. You can see the basic plan, proof plan, lifetime access, and also you can see here exclusive bonus and certificate, and you can see frequently asking some questions. So this application is completely built without writing any single line of code. So the best part is you can easily publish it in a domains, as well as you will get the source code for it, that you can see this is the source code. So I can go on here and click on open with live servers, so I can easily open it in the local host, that you can see here it right now in a local host. So you can see that I can easily open it. Okay, you can see that you can change anything inside the code, and you can easily publish it to your own domain. Okay, now in this video you're going to see that how can you basically creating here this kind of landing pages without writing a single amount of code, right? Let's start. So you're going to creating here an code selling application. So what I can do, I just go on the chat GPT, and let's say machine learning, deep learning and AI code selling website landing page is structured in English. Then you can see in the structures, so you can copy it from here, or otherwise you can also write it by your own. So what I can do, I'm just going to copy this here and just go down and copy all of the sections from it. And then what I can do, we're simply going to use Control C, copy it here, and then go to the website called AI landing page. So you can easily sign up with your Gmail account on here, and then you need to describe your business idea or the landing pages. So the most advanced AI landing pages builder for your business. So you can just go down and you can see and what about these applications. I mean, what about this AI landing page website? So you can see smart copywritings and responsive designs are the one click published. You can just click on one click and it will publish, and also the SEO optimized. Okay. So what I can do, I'm just going to pass it here that I copied from the chat GPT and click on create a landing page. So it basically creating the landing page for you. And after that, you can publish it so the user can also see it or visit it. And you can also download the code from it, and you can easily change what you need for it. Okay, like you can change the pictures, you can change the text, whatever you can. So all right, so you can see that it will try to generating the sections. Sections 1 out of 12, and section 2, section 3 is also ready. You can see on here masters machine learning, deep learning and AI from beginner to job ready. And then who this course is for, I mean, you can see. And if I go down, you can see sections 4 is also completed, section 5 is generating yet, and especially thinking. So Python and data analysis, oh, it's gone. Okay, it's better. I'll back when it is actually completed. So all right, it successfully completed here the 12 sections that you can see on here, uploading your complete landing page to your cloud storage for final delivery and access. So you can see on here how it look like. You can also go in the full screen mode. So how it look like actually, master machine learning, deep learning and AI from beginner to job ready, and who this course is for actually, and student and fresher, software engineer and developer, data analysis and scientist, career switcher and the professionals. And you can go on here Python and data analysis, machine learning, deep learning, NLP and computer visions. And then you can see course curriculums, how it look like, and it look cool. Python and math for AI, data analysis and feature engineering, machine learning algorithms, deep learning foundations, the computer visions and NLP, generative AI and large language model, real world projects, development and production AI, interview preparation and career guidelines. So you can also downloading the full syllabus from it here. Okay. And real world projects, fates and object detection systems, chatbot using large language model, AI medical report analyzers. So if you need the projects, you can also follow my multiverse series. Recommended systems, you only make that fraud detection model for character end-to-end AI web applications. So you can also click on here to view all projects. So why I chose this course, that you can see on here. and success history, and chose your learning path, plan, lifetime access, basic plans, and also you can see that the exclusive bonus, you can see certificate, everything they actually going to making this out. You can see that it's lifetime access, we like get certificate, everything. You can see that how it look like. It's look like a landing page for the course selling. Okay, you can click on here curriculums, the projects, the structure of pricing and FAQ, but not working here because it's just nothing but a landing page here. Okay, now you can also export it in a zip file. You can download it in your folders, and you can easily open it to the VS Code, or you can also publish it. You can just publish it here by clicking this button, and you can click on here to publishing it right now. Okay, and you can see successfully publishing here, and you can also copy here this link. You can just copy here the link, and then you can also open it here. So it will open out in a new link. If I go on here, you can see it's open out in a new link that you can see. You can also easily access it. Okay, so see how it look like. It also be responsive. If I go in inspect, then you can see it also be responsive on here. Okay, in this case, so it's quite big. So you can see on here like that. So if I go inside that sections, and if I go inside is the mobile version, see the mobile version how it look like in the say mobile version how it look like actually, and in the basically tablet version how it actually basically look like. So it's completely responsive that you can see on here. Okay, so in the mobile version it looks cool, right? Looks cool. That's boom, really. So this is how you can also change the color theme as well. So let's say change color theme. You can also change the color theme on here. So I'm not going to go do it here. It's your job to do that because it will obviously take time. So that's it for today now. I hope you enjoyed this full tutorial, and make sure to subscribe to channels and share with your friends. Thank you and bye bye.